Number 1. I love the uniqueness of the black sofa, it matches the theme very well. Number 2. I love the color combination with the walls, it's very casual but beautiful. Number 3. This contemporary Arabic interior design would look really good in a family villas. Number 4. Sometimes green is classical, sometimes it's trendy. Either way, emerald green is my all-time favorite color. Number 5. Shades of yellow will win you over when you decorate your home with a more cheerful and relaxed color, which symbolize prosperity and happiness. Number 6. Loved the geometric twist with a touch of elegance. Number 7. Loved the combination of the bold colors pink and teal with the light colors. Number 8. It's all about the cozy traditional summer vibes. Number 9. The pretty pillows with peaceful vibes caught my eyes. Number 10. The colorful square frames give a really nice touch.